Once logged in, switch to the EDA app in Salesforce, then click the Orders tab to get started. In the Incoming Orders spreadsheet, copy the first order ID, then paste it in the search bar in Salesforce. If no orders are found, click the down arrow next to the Orders tab and select New Order from the list. Paste the order ID in the Vendor Order ID field. Go back to the incoming order sheet and grab the order date to paste into the Order Start Date field. Now look for the account information in the Ship To column. Paste this in the Account Name field and select a matching existing account from the list. If you don't find a match, watch the order entry video on finding related accounts. Next, enter the purchaser and the Ship To contact. You may have to scroll all the way to the right of the spreadsheet to find who the shipping contact is. Most of the time, this will be the same person as either the facilitator or the Ship To contact, but it's always good to check the email address in the Order Placed By column. Now select all the address fields and copy them. In Salesforce, click the Search Address button, then paste the address in the Entry field. Usually the first result in the list will be the best formatted match, but it's good to double check. Check for a tracking number. In this case, there isn't one, so move on to the next step. Copy the product code, return to Salesforce, and click the Save button. Hover over the Order Products link, then move over and click the Add Products button. Paste the product code in the entry field. You may have to press Enter to find the product name in the list. Check the box beside the product name, then click Next to continue. Enter the correct quantity in the Quantity field, then click the Save button. Repeat this for each product with the same order number. For orders without a tracking number, click Activated, then click Mark as Current Status. This will help later to identify orders that still need tracking numbers. Next, enter the class and facilitator information. Scroll to the right of the spreadsheet to find the estimated class start date and the facilitator names. Copy the class start date and make a mental note of any facilitator names. Return to Salesforce. Hold the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a PC and click the account name to open in a new tab. Hover over the class's link to reveal a list. Notice whether an existing class is starting on the same date as the class start date in the order. If there is, you will copy the class ID. Here the date is different. If you see the date is similar, email the facilitator about whether their class start date has changed. For now, enter a new class. Return to the order, hover over the class's link, then move over to click the New button. Click in the Class field, then scroll to the bottom of the list and select New. In the New Class window, enter the same account as you did for the order, then select the correct program according to which products were purchased, then enter the date and the estimated class start date field. Click Save to save the class information, then click Save again to save the association. Now hover over the class's link again, then click on the class ID. In the new screen, hover over the Class Connections link, then move over and click the New button. In the new Class Connection pop-up, enter the facilitator's name, then click Save. If there are multiple facilitators, click the Save and New button to enter another facilitator. Now scroll down and click on the order number to return to the order. Check your work for accuracy, then continue on to the next order or step.